the world famous Uranus Missouri fudge shop, because the best fudge comes from Uranus. Seen way too many billboards for this place. Let's go check it out. See what to make of it. Like I said, billboards almost every single mile. I'm telling you, it's 15 miles to the world's largest gift shop. 14 miles. 13 miles. Candy, taffy, gifts. Well, let's go see. That was the gift shop and the candy factory. Gotta say, I didn't really buy anything from either one except some gas at the pump. Back on the bike, we're off to our next stop. Alright, we are coming up on our next stop, the last planned stop before getting home from this long adventure. The world famous Uranus Missouri fudge shop. Ba-ba-ba-ba! Because the best fudge comes from Uranus. How's it going?
The show?
Yeah.
Unfortunately, we can't have that
In there? Okay.
in the show.
Is it okay in this room?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
It's $6 for adults.
Okay. How long does it take?
5, 10, 15 minutes, depending on how fast you read it up.
Okay. Just go up at the register?
Yep.
Okay.
Where will the ball be now? You have the eyes of a hawk, I swear. You hear the ball inside the cup. Good. I turn the cup over, take the ball out, place it over here in my pocket, take the ball back out of my pocket, place it there. Where's the ball now? Try and keep your eye on the baseball. Ready? 1, there's the ball. 2, don't look away, it's going to happen fast. And 3. Yeah, I know, I'm cheating, Cheyenne. Yeah, see, if you were paying attention to the ball, Cheyenne, if you were paying attention to the ball, that would have been freaking awesome. Now, you obviously, it's okay, yeah, you're not a chameleon. Cheyenne, you're not a chameleon, calm down. You obviously know I'm cheating because that is the first ball. It jumped from my pocket underneath the cup. The problem is ball number 2. No, it's actually right here.
Oh my.
Well, then you're going to hate me for that.
Is there a hole in the
Now, I'll give you the secret, Cheyenne. I'll be nice. I'll give you the secret. During the whole trip, I was doing this. I was just moving a lot faster than the human eye can see. Now, we're going to pick on you now because it looks like you can be doing that. What's your name, kid?
Carly.
Carly? It's okay, Carly. Here's what's going to happen. I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3. No, it's not the internet. 3 X's. You're a teenage boy.
With texting your girlfriend.
Now, 1, 2, 3. There are 6 total now. Carly, your job is simple. Tell me how many I have. Right. So 6 minus 1. 4. No, I know you're confused. Let me actually start over. This is actually known as the new math. If you're an adult, it's known as millennial math, because you know why, right? Millennials don't make sense. Now, we'll start over with 6 X's. I have chosen 4 for you guys. Now, we're going to start up here this time. How many do I have? 6 minus 1 again. No, it's still 4. Now, what you didn't see before is they jump. They just jump back and forth. It's like crazy. Now, you know what she says at this point, right?
No.
She says
2.
red. There's 2. You're not wrong. You're not right. Because there's actually 4. Now, we'll make it simple for you, Carly. Make it real easy. How many do I have now?
2.
How many do I have now?
2.
How many do I have now? No, it's actually still 1, but I actually have it hidden right here. No, because it's invisible. It's right there, actually. No, it's only 1, see? So you were still wrong. So you've learned 2 things. You can trust me, you just have to know which.
Welcome to Uranus.
Welcome to Uranus. Hey.
Yeah.